5 steps to building wealth. Building wealth isn't as difficult as you think. Setting up some simple systems takes away the enigma. The hardest thing to building wealth is not knowing where to start and feeling overwhelmed. It will bring you face to face with what is going on with your money. Before I get into this video, I would like to advise that this content is for educational purposes only. In order to make the best financial decision that suits your own needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor, if necessary. Now let's get to it with the 5 steps to help you build wealth. Number 1. Create a budget. A budget will show you how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. Making a budget is important because it helps you keep your financial house in order. Knowing what your income is and what your expenses are will help you plan, track, organize, and improve your financial situation. There are many online budget calculators and apps. However, if you would like an Excel budget template, then email me. I will leave my details in the description below. A budget has to be an honest account of your expenditure. If you are spending more than what you are earning, then you will need to look at expenses and see what you can get rid of for a time, such as subscriptions that you may rarely use. A budget will help you see how much debt you have and if you are making enough money to enable you to pay it off. Sometimes cutting down on your expenses will only get you part of the way. Knowing what you owe and overcoming your fear of facing your debt is a good thing, because you can now take control and start implementing steps to get rid of it. Number 2. Pay off debt. Make a list of all your debts, from the smallest to the largest, and also the minimum payments you need to make for each of your debts. There is a debt reduction strategy called the Debt Snowball, and I will add a link to a free calculator in the description section below. The Debt Snowball means paying off your smallest loan first, even if the interest is the lowest. This gives you a psychological advantage. It's about behavior modification and not math. If you start off with the smallest debt, it will take you less time to pay off, and you will feel motivated to continue paying off all the other debts. The way it works is, you pay the minimum payments on all debts, except for that smallest debt that should be first on your list. Besides paying the minimum payment, add whatever extra money you can find to the smallest debt. Stop eating out and spending money on things you don't need. Get serious about clearing that debt as fast as you can. Once the debt is paid off, take the money you were putting towards the first debt and add it to what you were paying to the next smallest debt, and then pay that off. This will help you gain momentum. This could take you 12 months, or it might take you 5 years, but it doesn't matter, because you are clearing your debt, getting intentional with your money, and getting closer to your goal of becoming debt-free. Get rid of your credit cards and only use money you have. If you want to know more, watch my snowball effect video that explains this strategy. I will leave the link in the description below. Number 3. Save for an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a good way to plan for the unexpected without going into debt and using credit cards or getting a loan. Emergencies do happen. You could lose your job or your car breaks down. Your aim is to remain debt-free. Whilst you are paying off your debt, try to have at least $2,000. Once all your debt is paid off, try and save between 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Number 4. Making more money. Cutting costs is a good way to help you get ahead. However, if you don't earn a lot, then what's really needed is more money. Sell anything you don't use to help you save for your emergency fund, and if there is any extra, put it towards your debt. Look for ways to earn more money so you can pay off debts and invest in your future. Some ways you might be able to make more money is by making yourself more valuable at work to help you gain a promotion, working overtime, looking for a job in another company that will pay you more for what you are currently doing, monetizing your hobby or talent, or even getting a part-time job. Number 5. Investing. Investing your money is extremely important to building wealth. Having money in a savings account will not help you grow your money because the interest is so low at the moment. Start with investing in a tax-advantaged retirement fund. Tax-advantaged investment accounts help your money grow more efficiently and can make a big difference in the long run. Try to invest 15% of your gross income each pay into the fund. If you max out your tax-advantaged retirement account, then don't neglect taxable investment opportunities. And by that I mean investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, or other assets. Investing can help you grow your wealth faster than letting it sit in a savings account. It is very important to take time out to learn about investing. There are a lot of free resources online. Okay, so let's go over the 5 key takeaways. Create a budget and know where you are spending your money and live below your means. Pay off all your debt using the snowball effect, then avoid debt like you are allergic to it. Save for an emergency fund. This will help you stay out of debt. Increase your income through a promotion, working overtime, building a side hustle, or getting a part-time job. And invest, because it is a very important key to building wealth. It may be hard at the beginning, but it will get easier. Make sure you celebrate every milestone you achieve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.